The dog is a pet. This animal is found in the world. It is a faithful animal. People raise them in their homes for safety. The dog is considered a descendant of the wolf. Dog teeth are very sharp. Hundreds of species of dogs are found all over the world, which are completely different from each other in color, form, and shape. The dog's hearing power is very fast. He can hear even a small sound. They are around 10 to 12 years of age. It is an omnivorous animal which can eat both bread and meat. The dogs living at home mostly eat bread, while the wild dogs live by eating meat.